Hello everybody, this is Soumya. Welcome to my channel. Please always connect with me. I will come with different topic related to communication. To tune with me, you can subscribe my channel. Okay? Today we will discuss about the types of business communication. Let's have a discussion. Okay? You all know that business communication refers to the exchange of thoughts, ideas, views and information among the personnel working in or associated with the organization. Communication, that means interacting in some or the other way, is essential for humans to survive in a social environment. Similarly, effective communication is the foundation of a successful organization and to carry out business activities smoothly. Different types of business communication. We will discuss about the types of business communication. There are so many types of business communication. Based on structure, we can divide the business communication into two parts. One is formal communication and the another one is informal communication. What is formal communication? The formal communication is a regular and organized channel of work related communication within a company where the employees have to coordinate through a proper medium among themselves. There are also some sub-points like chain communication, wheel communication, circular communication, free flow communication, inverted V communication. What is chain communication? When an employee passes on official information to the other employee who further communicates it to a third employee, creates a chain pattern. Okay? What is wheel communication? When a single employee communicates any organizational information to a group of workers, a wheel pattern is formed. For example, the team leader reading out a circular issued by the management in front of other co-workers. Another one is the circular communication. An employee communicates information to his colleagues who passes it on to another co-worker and so on. The message passes from one employee to another and finally reaches to the person who initiates the process. Then the free flow communication. In this type of network, no particular pattern is followed. Information is spread in a non-systematic manner by anyone. For example, in an emergency condition in the organization, say in case of short circuit, the information is randomly spread among the employees. The next one is inverted V. Under this network, the subordinates can communicate directly with their immediate senior as well as their senior or top management too. Okay? Then we will discuss about the informal communication. It is the part of the structural communication. It is an unofficial form of communication arising out of a friendship or casual relations where the discussions may or may not be related to the work or the organization. There are also some sub-points. Types of informal communication network. Normally, single strand communication, gossip or grapevine communication, probability communication, cluster communication, etc. Okay? What is single strand communication? The single strand communication, similar to the chain pattern, in single strand 2, the information goes on passing from one person to another, then to the next and so on. Next, The grapevine communication, it is very important. One single person spreads information within an informal group where the message may or may not be valid. This pattern is also called as grapevine communication. Then the probability communication, it is similar to the gossip pattern, but here it is not necessary that everyone is involved in the communication. Another one is the cluster communication. When a person passes on information only to his trustworthy people, believing that they won't tell it to anyone, but they do the same thing. Thus, the message spreads to a selected group of people. This network is known as a cluster communication. Okay, then according to the ways of communication, business communication also divided into two parts. The medium of communication, normally verbal and non-verbal, based on flow of direction, upward, downward, horizontal, diagonal communication. Based on response, the communication is divided into one-way communication and two-way communication. We will discuss about the verbal, non-verbal communication, upward, downward communication, horizontal communication, diagonal communication, and one-way and two-way communication in our next class. Okay.